Alright, so Rafa's pulling up behind me, but today's really exciting because we're going to be getting the truck back. I dropped it off at my buddy's maybe like 5 or 6 weeks ago to get the turbo kit made, and he finally gave me a call telling me it's done, so we're going to go pick it up real quick. Everyone wants to know where the Nova's at. So
it's under construction.
It's under construction. So
basically I'm just saving money right now just because during school I cut my hours a lot, so I didn't make a lot of money and I still had to continue paying bills, so I'm just trying to get back on track at this point.
Someone who's like kind of wondering and hitting me up about the Nova, it's coming. Soon, we're just working on it. And sorry I look like shit because
just pulled 100 hours, so big shit coming.
I just got off work and I'm just gonna go pick the truck up. Also, if you're in SoCal, you know it's hot as hell right now, so yeah, let's go see the truck. Hey guys, so unfortunately, I don't know what happened yesterday, but my camera corrupted a bunch of the files, which really sucks because I had like Rafa's reaction and we had loading the truck into the backyard or into the garage and then just kind of talking about it. But I guess I'll do that now. So here's the turbo kit for the truck. Here's the turbo for the truck. It's a BorgWarner 80mm turbo. I don't remember the exact part number off the top of my head, but I'm running 3-inch piping throughout the whole thing. It's got a CX Racing intercooler, and yeah, my buddy Oscar, I'll link his Instagram down below. He made all this stuff for me, and yeah, I was able to modify the stuff from the CX tubing kit, but obviously I needed this pipe that kind of comes from the Holley header manifolds up. And then, yeah, wastegates and the blow-off valves are all on. I actually need to attach that on, but yeah, here's the turbo kit. So yeah, it looks amazing. I'm really happy with it. I wish the video wouldn't have screwed up because I had a bunch of sick stuff with this, but it is what it is. I also wanted to record a lot more, but when Oscar was working on it and when I was working, we're kind of at the same time, which really sucks because I would like to have filmed a bunch of this stuff, but it is what it is. On to the next part of the build, which is like finishing it now, because at this point I don't think I really need anything fabbed up or made. Everything else should just be kind of like lines and transmission cooler, oil coolers, fuel lines, stuff like that. So stuff that I can do. So I'm pretty excited to do this. At this point, I think in 2 weeks I'm gonna go drop it off at Adrian's shop and we're gonna start. He's gonna wire it for me because I suck at wiring stuff, and yeah, we're gonna start getting this thing going. So yeah, the kit looks amazing. I'm super happy with it. I honestly cannot wait to drive this thing. It looks amazing, especially with the hood on and you can just see the intercooler. Let me know what you guys think. Should I paint it black? Should I leave it? Should I leave all the piping? Should I paint it? I definitely want to Cerakote the headers because they look terrible. A huge update on the truck. That's a huge bit of progress. Took a little bit longer than I thought it was going to, but it is what it is. Stuff takes time to get here. But I cannot wait to get this thing going. Hopefully you guys see why I haven't really updated you guys on the truck. It's mostly just this stuff getting fabbed up. Stuff is actually starting to show up today too. Today I got, well, a couple weeks ago I got my Terminator X. I started on making my little fuel hanger, and I think my Hydro Boost should be showing up next week. So yeah, I think at this point I'm just waiting on injectors, which I need to order. And that's really it. So we'll be getting on this thing very soon. I'm sure there's a bunch of stuff I already forgot, but hey, I think, I don't know how many more days, but really trying to get this thing to C10 intervention. That's the goal. And then I'd like to make it to Dino's and then duct tape drags. So we'll see how it goes. I'll see you guys soon. It was cool seeing Rafa. Got a little update on the Nova too. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe to see more progress. And I can't wait to hear this thing spool.